and welcome to flowindata. In this video, we will discuss the difference between synchronous and asynchronous code execution in JavaScript. Okay, so understanding the difference between these two is crucial to writing efficient and performant code. So let's get in. Synchronous code is code that is executed in a sequential order. Okay, each statement is executed one after the other, and the program has to wait for each statement to finish before moving on to the next one. So let's see the example. In this example, the statements are executed in order and output will be first, second, and third. Now, on the other hand, asynchronous code is code that is executed non-sequentially. It allows multiple things to happen at the same time without blocking the execution of the program. Okay, asynchronous code is commonly used when dealing with long-running tasks like network requests or file operations, etc. So here is an example. In this example, we have used the set timeout function to delay the execution of the second console log statement by 1 second. So while we wait for the set timeout function to complete, the program will continue to execute the next statement, which is the third console log statement. Okay, so in conclusion, what we can say, synchronous code is executed in sequential order, one statement after another, while asynchronous code allows multiple things to happen at the same time without blocking the execution of the program. Okay, and asynchronous code is commonly used when dealing with long-running tasks like network requests or file operations. So I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the concept. If you have any question or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.